Hey everyone, Brendan from Goalorious, where we focus on goals, gains, and giveaways. As a reminder, I do a weekly crypto giveaway for all my subscribers, so click the link in the description for more information. Today, we're going to be talking about this exciting new project called MixSwap. So there's a lot going on with this project. Hopefully I can cover everything today. So let's literally just jump into it right now. So it's the DeFi app that brings yield mining to your browser. So I think it's cool. We're going to go over the platform. We're going to go over the white paper. They have a lot of thanks for the white paper because it makes it understand this project really easy. And then we're going to go into like some of like the press they've gotten for this, some of their socials, like the updates there, and then look at the price to see if you guys should jump in right now. But let's just jump into it. So it says mining cryptocurrencies is easier than ever. And I'm going to kind of swap back and forth between the app to kind of show you things, but I kind of wanted to take a step, and let me make sure you guys can see this okay. Just so you guys can see it. But I'm going to be kind of jumping back and forth because I'm going to be talking about several parts of this. But cool. So let's talk about how this works. So with MixSwap, you could stake your token assets to earn tokens through liquidity on the Binance Smart Chain. So this is the Binance Smart Chain. So buying it through PancakeSwap is how you do it. MixSwap allows users to earn high annual percentage, APY, easily, and anyone can start cryptocurrency mining today. So they have a couple of components. So they have mix pools, mix farms, and mix vaults. So mix pools, so staking in pools is the simplest way to earn free rewards in MixSwap. So if you're familiar with pools with any other cryptocurrency project, this will make sense to you. Just stake MXS, so that is their symbol. Ticker symbol, MXS, earn free MXS. It's really that easy and anyone can do it. Mix farms earn annual percentage rates, APR, by staking 2 tokens in liquidity pool to exchange LP tokens, then staked into farms to earn MXS tokens. And then they have the mix vaults, earn tokens such as Cake and BNB on MixSwap. Mix vaults automatically compound and seek the highest APY available for you. So we'll go a little bit into each one of those in a bit. I'll probably play this, what is MixSwap, at the end of the video. I was going to play in the beginning, but I felt like I kind of want to give you a summary before that. And coming soon, they have a lot of other things coming soon. One is going to be a Mix wallet. I actually think that it's great how projects come up with their own wallets so you could track things. So it says your crypto wallet with yield mining functions brings mining to your mobile devices. So I'm trying to think if there's other projects out there where you can mine and stake and yield on your mobile device. I'm sure there are, but I just I can't think of any right now. MixSwap mixer function, the trusted mixer function to send anonymous transactions securely on Binance Smart Chain, provides transaction privacy by separating the transaction between recipient and sender addresses. So you can learn about that more. Again, like this is a very involved project. But it's great. A lot of these are exciting. They want to do a debit card. So a crypto linked debit card, shop globally with your card. And then that's kind of like, that's pretty much all on the main website. I think a lot of the content is in their white paper. Let me go back. Okay. Sorry. I was like literally looking through this. So it's their mix paper. So literally they updated it in July, very early project. I kind of like their logo. It's really cool. It's like a mix. Get it? It's a mixer. Cool. So the Berks of MixSwap, headquartered in Singapore, serves to disrupt the DeFi cryptocurrency mining industry. So this is their vision, and I think it's good to understand this because where they're coming from and why they made this project. I thought it was good. To create a simple and seamless DeFi experience to both crypto-savvy users and less digitally proficient individuals in China and Southeast Asia. I mean, I think that's awesome. There's a lot of new crypto people coming into it. I think they're confused and not sure. So they're looking for the education piece, but they're using for tools that help, for them easy to use. I know I consider myself fairly new into the crypto space. I haven't been around for years, but the idea is that, any time you can come with tools or platforms where you can make these things easier to understand and easy to use, I think it's awesome. MixSwap will be offering a wide range of traditional banking products built on the DeFi infrastructure, such as high return savings account, cryptocurrency vaults, debit cards, and keeping users' privacy as their top priority. Bring DeFi cryptocurrency to developing markets, create a simple and seamless DeFi experience, providing alternative banking products to certain economies. So it's cool. I'm going to go over all the problem. I'm going to just kind of highlight them. Limited banking infrastructure in developing economies. I think that all makes sense. I think that's why crypto is good. It's global. It makes it you able to traverse. I think that's the right word. The different countries easily without having to do like, such crazy like exchanges and having to deal with different banks and things like that. If you've ever tried to send money using regular payment, it's a big hassle. So cryptocurrency helps solve that. Currency inflation, obviously dealing with inflation and things like that. And they kind of go into, how the governments are involved there. And then higher barriers to cryptocurrency adoption. With the total value locked approaching 144 billion, DeFi represents a fantastic opportunity for exponential growth in the coming years. So they're just talking about, especially in Southeast Asia, being able to access this, and they kind of like highlighted smartphones as, obviously what they use. Obviously we use it everywhere, but very much a lot of their online time is focused on their phones. So being able to use that versus a traditional computer, I think is awesome. So that's why they're kind of have this mobile focused with their app, and I think it's great. MixSwap is the all-in-one DeFi banking app built on Binance Smart Chain. So they kind of say here that offers mainstream fintech services with instruments and possibilities of DeFi, such as high return. That's exactly what I thought too. When I hear the terms high return savings account, I think like, yeah, that's good that they're bringing these concepts that people understand, that they value, like a savings account, kind of into the crypto space. And I think that makes sense. Fiat fixed deposit, cryptocurrency vaults, debit cards, and transaction mixer. That's the best way to, get people that if you're trying to shift people away from traditional banking into cryptocurrency, especially in these countries where they've been, working with banks, debit cards, etc., savings accounts, kind of like not switching them over radically, but giving them something that they understand, and kind of like transitioning them. I think it's great. Personal banking services to accommodate the needs of risk-averse private investors. And then they're saying MixSwap offers a solution where retail investors in developing countries can join DeFi, low entry barriers, and wide range of products such as high returning saving accounts. And they kind of said the same thing. But yeah, the idea is that not only is this great for the users, but also great for those, the potential retailers, small businesses that can enable and make it easier for them to transact with their consumers. So what is DeFi? Again, this is more of like educational purposes. Feel free to read this white mix paper if you guys want. What is DeFi? What is currencies vault? Liquidity mining. It's great that they do this education. Then they jump into the MXS specific token, like total supply. It's not that much, 21 million. Initial total supply, 21 million. Initial supply, 100,000. They talk a little bit more about the tokenomics there. So let's look at the roadmap. It's July 2021. They've accomplished a good amount of stuff, but again, as what we saw earlier, a lot of stuff is coming. And let's just jump into this. So mixed pools, mixed farms, and you can check that out on their MixSwap app.mixswap.finance. I'll put a link in the bottom with this, but you could see how like their mixed farms and their mixed pools are live. You just have to unlock your wallet. Oops, nope. So mixed farms, investors take 2 tokens, liquidity pool to get LP tokens. We talked about that, which are staked into the farms to earn rewards. So if you're familiar with staking and farms, MXS tokens will be rewarded. Unlike mixed farms, so like where's this different? Mixed pool investors will only be required to stake 1 token in the pool to start earning the rewards MXS. Staking in pools will be the simplest way to earn free rewards in MixSwap. So let's look. So here's the mixed farm, and then here's the mixed tools, and they kind of tell you exactly what they make it easy. I think it's great how they tell you exactly what you're earning, and then the APR, and then same for the mixed farms, and kind of like what's the pairing there. And like I said, you can see cake and a bunch of different. I keep clicking that. That's spoilers. Cool. Anyone can do it. So what they want to do in August, so in the coming weeks, cryptocurrency mining vault in browser. Mining vault in browser, investor can choose from more than 50 different tokens, including BSC, BNB, cake to stake and earning free rewards. So they already have cake in there. I think maybe they're planning to add more. Mixed wallet sometime in Q4 opens the Pandora box for China, Southeast Asia on a mobile interface. Then Q1. So again, they have a huge roadmap. It's a long-term project. Again, it's very early on, but they have a lot of great things coming. integrated multi-currency mining vault in app. Like I said, I don't know if this exists. Let me know in the comments if there is like a farming mining vault type thing. Definitely not a lot of people use the term mining vault. I think it's cool. Debit card Q1, Mix card. I like that name. Mix for everything. Mix lets you earn rewards while you spend any asset, Mix wallet. And then last thing they have on here is like the transaction mixer. Transaction mixer function is built in. Wallet users can send private and anonymous transaction while keeping their identity. Yeah, we saw that. So yeah, kind of a lot of things, a bunch of things that are on the roadmap. I do think it's definitely exciting. They're actually getting a lot of good press. So they have an article on Yahoo talking about MixSwap offers alternative bank solutions to developing countries. So getting a lot of press here, and so you guys can read that. Obviously, I'm not going to go through this whole entire article. The story continues. And they actually had another article on Markets Insider. This is just Business Insider. MixSwap offers alternative banking solutions to developing countries. So again, more, just more exposure and press. And I think that's what they're going for is really, like they're hitting a target market. They're super focused with their products, their timeline. And I think it's really exciting. So this is all the links, MixSwap.finance if you want to learn more. So let's check out the price. So right now there's 425,000 market cap. Remember, the price is $3. So remember, it's only 21 million total supply. So let's check this out. And again, obviously crypto has been down for everyone, everything. So so let's check. So obviously there was some crazy growth. There. So there was like a huge drop in the 17th, I think. I mean, again, yeah, it was a pretty huge drop. I'm not sure exactly what happened here. There's been some slowly going down, but it's down at $3. But again, I think there's so much volatility in crypto right now. So again, if you really believe in the product, things like that, I assume, I'm going to make some assumptions here without knowing this. I assume, and I don't know if someone in the comments wants to confirm, but if you're a holder, sounds like someone, maybe some whale or something like that, sold a bunch when they got to this all-time high. And it kind of just ruined the price. Obviously I checked to make sure that this project is legit and secure. And, I was able to check the Telegram, and people are still very positive about this. But make sure you do your own research and figure out this project for you. Hey everyone, just wanted to take a quick pause here to review some things with you guys. After I recorded this video, I did some more research, and I found out that I was indeed right, that it was a whale that sold off during that point that caused that steep dip in price. But I think it's good for you guys to remember that with all DeFi projects, they don't always go up so quickly because of their increasing supply. And so if you guys remember that the total supply of this project is 21 million, and you could see that on their website and on their white paper. But if you look at their current supply right now, they started at 100,000 and they're still at only 132,000, and you guys could check for that yourself on BSC scan. So there's lots of room for growth. So very early on in the project. So I just want to call that out, that even though the price is low now, that increasing supply is definitely going to help out. There's only 128 holders, and the more and more people learn about this project and they make updates to it, I think you could see that definitely progress. So just want to call that out there, but let's continue on with the video. Twitter and the Telegram is a good way to just kind of get the newest updates on this. Other things I want to cover here, they have like daily tasks to if you really like the project, to help improve their visibility. So you could do things here. They even have like a referral program, and then they have white paper roadmap if you want to check that out. They also have their tech rate quick check if you wanted to see. Obviously having an audit is really important. I think they're still trying to work out some things, or they're kind of in the midst of doing all this stuff. But yeah, definitely check it out. Check out their Telegram. Let's check out their Twitter real quick. I mean, they're a new project. Again, it's only been like a week or like a week and a half. Check out what everything is saying. They have this tweet, I guess, from Elon Musk, don't DeFi. So yeah, obviously that's a huge focus for them. So yeah, definitely check it out. Check out this project, MixSwap Finance, and check out their tool. Obviously, this early project, so kind of check out everything going on with it. But they have a lot of exciting things in the roadmap. It's great that they have their app launched and usable. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about MXS token, MixSwap. I'm going to show you guys a video, But let me know in the comments if you've owned MXS, if you plan to own it, what do you think about the upcoming products. And remember, there's a ton of awesome products here. I think the card is cool, and then the mixer function is a great idea. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. But thanks again for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Enjoy this video now.